Very good. So crispy and soft from inside with green dip. Wow. Friends, today I am going to make crispy, spicy, fried cauliflower of Gobi Pakora. Friends, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe my channel and hit bell icon for my latest new innovative recipes. Near about half kg cauliflower, cut and cleaned. For batter, 2 tablespoons multipurpose flour or maida, 2 tablespoons rice flour, 2 teaspoons corn flour, half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon coriander powder, 1/4 turmeric, 1/4 tablespoon of black pepper powder, half teaspoon red chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala. Mix this well. Add water and make smooth batter without any lumps. Make this little loose batter. Boil some water. Water boil well. Now I am going to add this cauliflower in it. Let this cook for a while. Add some turmeric, pinch of salt also. Let this boil well. It's cooked. Remove from the water. I made the batter very loose. Add this cauliflower in it. Mix this well. Now add some more rice flour, all-purpose flour, make a smooth batter. This is the consistency. Now fry this in a heat pan. Heat some oil. Add this. remove it from the fire. Make this double fried. First time this will cook inside from the inside. Second time this make crispy from outside. Now the oil is fully heated. Now add this pakoda again to make this crispy. Now fried it well. It's very crispy. Very good. So crispy. So crispy and soft from inside with green dip. Wow. Thank you for visiting this channel. If you are new in this channel, please subscribe this channel and hit bell icon for my latest innovative recipes.